Hi there, JungAh here. For today, I'll be answering the question, how do you ask, do you speak Korean in Korean? This can be a great addition to your conversation starter pack. You can express this by asking, 한국어 할 줄 알아요? If you're asked this question, you can answer with 네, 조금 할 줄 알아요. This response means yes, I speak a little. You can also answer with 아니요, 할 줄 몰라요. This reply means no, I don't. Sometimes you may hear the word 한국말 used in place of 한국어. It also means Korean language. For example, you might hear 한국말 할 줄 알아요? It also means can you speak Korean? If you want a shorter answer, try using 네, 해요 to say yes. To say no, you can use 아니요, 못해요. If we ask you 한국어 할 줄 알아요? How would you answer? Let us know your answer in the comments below. Bye for now!